Once a week, two Town of Manio employees meet for a boat ride. This boat ride serves an important purpose.
Good morning.
52 weeks a year, qualified town staff conduct water quality sampling in Shallowback Bay. Subject to the weather year-round, staff coordinate to make the trip as safe as possible. Samples in the bay consist of 4 sampling parameters: temperature, dissolved oxygen, salinity, and pH. Samples are taken at 5 dedicated locations throughout the bay. Here they are at sample location 1. Sample probes and meters are assembled. Rugged probes provide sample information to the meter. Samples are taken at 1-foot intervals throughout the water column. The first series is taken 1 foot from the seabed. Each of the 4 results are recorded. The second series is taken at 2 feet from the bottom. Each reading is recorded and will later be submitted to the North Carolina Division of Water Resources by way of monitoring report. The third series is taken 3 feet from the bottom. 12 readings are recorded at each sampling location. 60 total readings are recorded for each boat ride weekly. Observing proper sampling techniques, the rest of the boat ride is repetition.